Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we are going to learn fourth problem in exercise number 1.3. Already I have uploaded first three problems in my previous video. If you haven't watched that, do check it out. The video link is in the description box below. Now we can see the fourth problem. A graph representing the function f of x is given in figure 1.16. It is clear that f of 9 is equal to 2. Find the following values of the function f of 0, f of 7, f of 2 and f of 10. Okay, here this graph is given. In this graph, this horizontal line represents the x-axis. Okay, this vertical line represents y-axis. So in this graph, we have 0 to 10 element in x-axis and 0 to 10 elements in y-axis. This line represents the function line. Okay, the function line is f y is equal to f of x. So here the f of x is given, right? And f of 9 is equal to 2. This is the form of f of x. F of 9 is in the form of f of x. Okay, so the value of x is 9 here. Okay, the value of x is 9. We need to find out the value of y. How we can find out the value? To here, this is given. Okay, this 2 is given, but we have to find out the value. How we can do that? F of 9 we have, right? So x value is 9. So we have to check out the x-axis. X-axis number 9. Okay, we need to check in which point this x-axis intersects this function line based on this y value. Okay, we need to find out the y value only, y coordinate. Here, this x-axis is intersecting this line at this point. Intersection point is here. So, what we have to find out the value of y coordinate. Y coordinate is 2. Okay, so the answer would be f of 9 would be 2. And next, we have to find out f of 0. How we can find out f of 0? Here, in this, we have the graph. First, we need to find out f of 0. Okay, f of 0 means in x-axis, we need to find the value 0. Here, we have value 0. So, we need to check the point. In which point this x-axis intersects this function line. In which point this x-axis here, this one, okay, x-axis intersects this function line here, this place. This is the point. Okay, we need to go up and we can see the intersection point over here. So the value of f of 0 is 9. Okay, we need to find out the value of y only. This is the answer of f of 0. Okay, next we need to find out f of 7. F of 7 means we have to check x-axis, the number 7. Okay, here in which point this x-axis intersects this line, function line, here, this is the point. Okay, so the y coordinate is 6. So the value of f of 7 is 6. This is easy, right? And next, we have to find out f of 2 is equal to 6. F of 2. So the x value is 2. Okay. We need to find out the value of f of 2. That is the question. Okay. Next. So we have to check the number in x-axis, number 2. We need to go up in which point this x-axis intersects this line, function line. So the y coordinate will be 6. Answer 6. Okay. And next we need to find out f of 10. F of 10 means the value of x is 10. We have to check the point. In which point this line intersects. In which point this x-axis intersects this function line. Okay. We need to go up. Here x is 10, right? So this line, this function line is touching here only. So the y coordinate would be 0. Here 0 would be y coordinate. We can say y coordinate, we can say 0 as y coordinate or x coordinate. Here in this point only this line is touching. So we need to find the value of y. So what would be the value of y? Y coordinate is 0. Okay, so the answer is f of 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so here f of 0 is 9, f of 7 is 6. We found everything, right? F of 2 is equal to 6, f of 10 is equal to 0. So, so next question is, for what value of x is f of x is equal to 1? For what value of x is f of x is equal to 1? Here y is given, okay? This is in the form of f of x is equal to y because the function line is y is equal to f of x, right? So f of x, here we need to find the x value, but y is given. So we need to check out the y axis, okay? Here we are going to check y axis number 1. We need to find out in which point this y axis intersects this function line based on x axis, okay? Based on x axis. So here this is the point number 1 is given y value, okay? We need to go right side and in which point this y-axis intersects this line. This is the point based on x-axis. Okay, so so this would be the this point would be the answer. Okay, here the number is between 9 and 10, so we can say this point is 9.5. Okay, 9 point, we can say this point would be 9.5. 9.5. So the answer is f of x, the x value is 9.5. So here, for what value of x is f of x is equal to 1 means answer is x is equal to 9.5. Okay, and then next question. So the next question is, describe the following domain and range. This concepts domain, range, function, relation, everything I have uploaded in my previous videos. Check it out. The video link is in the description box below. So we can see the answer of this question. Here, the concept of domain is writing the elements of first set, but it should have the relation. Okay. Here, what is the relation part? This area, this this all area will be coming under the relation. Okay. All these line, the area under this function line will be coming under this relation. So here these elements are the first, already I told you, no, these elements are the first set elements. These are second set elements. So these are, we can say these are input value and these are output value. So here in domain concept, we have to write all the elements of first set, but it should have the relation. Okay, We have the relation from 0 to 10. So we have to write all the numbers from 0 to 10. That would be the answer of domain concept. Okay. So now we can write the answer. Answer is third one. Third one, domain. Domain is equal to set of, we should include all the elements inside of the set bracket from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are all the elements of domain. Okay. We can write all these elements in set builder form. Already I had explained about the set builder method. You can check that video also. Description in You can see the video link in the description box. So builder method is nothing but we are going to represent the relation using several format. Okay, format is these all x, right? X such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10, where x belongs to R relation, right? We can say, right, this we can say in the form of this set builder method also. Okay, just we are writing all the answers in the form of set builder method. Okay, here 0 is included, 10 is included, that's why I have written as less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, and now we need to find out the range value. Range is nothing but writing the elements of second set that should have the relation, so in the diagram, in the graph, range would be, what would be the range? Here in y-axis, these are the second set elements. Okay, we have 0 to 10 elements, but relation would be only from 0 to 9. Why? Because this line is coming here only, function line is. So this line not including this number 10. So we have to write 0 to 9. Okay, so the answer would be 0 to 9. The range answer 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how we can write it in set builder method? Y such that 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 10, y belongs to R. This is the set builder method. Okay, this is the answer of range. Next, we can see the next question. So the next question is, which is the image of 6 under F? Okay, what is the image of 6 under F? So in the graph, what is image and what is pre-image? Already I have discussed about this also. Check check it out. This image and pre-image. Pre-image is the first set of elements. Okay, elements of the first set, and pre-image will be the elements of the second set. Okay, pre-image is first set elements, image is second set elements. So we need to find out image, right? What is the question? Image of 6. So we have to find out the image only. Is image represents the second set. Okay, the answer would be coming from this y-axis. So we have to check the number in x-axis. 6, right? The answer is coming from y. We need to find out the image of 6. Okay, here we have 6. So in which point this x-axis intersects this function line based on this y? Here 5, right? So the answer of this question, what is the image of 6 under f? So the answer is 5, right? Answer is 5. Okay. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give the thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Till then, bye. Take care. Thanks for listening.